Willets. All my other ones are too small.
I'm opening yours.
I haven't worn pajama pants in years.
It's your turn, Jake.
And then it's gonna be mine.
And then it's yours.
That is.
Jake probably didn't get pickles.
No,
Did Jake get pickles?
I've not had this in a long time.
Well, there you go. Put your name on it, just like
Jacob, we had some in the pantry.
It's your. Does that say your name?
Whose turn it is?
It did not.
I ate all of it.
That does not say name.
That's for me.
Cindy's turn.
Cindy and Jacob and Corey.
What does it say?
Should say to Sammy.
Does it say SAMMI?
I got it!
What?
The Barbie! Woo! I got the Barbie house!
Oh, what the? Oh, you wanted that? What do you say to Sissy?
Thank you!
You better give her a hug. Can you get up and tell her thank you?
You wanted Chelsea.
No, not.
Alright.
Look at
I
that.
want her bear!
A bear? Come on, a bear.
Oh, cute.
Oh, what's that your bag of? This is your bag of
Thank you,
five. What's that? Nail polishes.
Matching. I'm all comfy with my blanket.
Oh, you're all comfy with your blanket.
What is it?
Bye-bye.
It's hand my
Oh, hand sanitizer?
Yeah, we got a little keychain.
Yeah, we got them at that one crash show, remember?
Yeah, very little keychain.
Very little. Don't lose it, remember?
My gosh, I can't even see it.
They were expensive little devils, and then I found them in the bottom or something. So I put that on your. Oh, we found that too, why?
Ah, giant.
Where did we find it, Pop? I forgot where we found
Look at that
it.
color book. That is big.
Museum.
That's the one you lost?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
Oh, look
It's
at
right
mine.
there in
Sydney,
all
look
over
at
the
mine.
Creation Museum.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't
so
lose
you
that.
got
Where'd
it?
you put it?
Yeah.
Really?
Wyatt, that's from the Creation Museum. That dinosaur book.
I'm gonna open this one.
We've never
Foam
been there.
later. That one's really heavy.
Good this week. The light shows amazing image.
Oh, look at